In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone call button in Hostinger Website Builder. This simple yet effective feature can vastly improve your website's user interactivity, making it incredibly easy for your visitors to get in touch with you directly through a phone call. Let's dive right into it. We'll start by navigating to the Hostinger Website Builder. Once you've logged in, locate the page where you want to add a phone call button. Take a moment to envision where this button would be most effective. Typically, you'll want it in a conspicuous place, perhaps near the top of your page, on a contact section, or maybe even in a consistent location across multiple pages for easy access. Now let's get to the actual adding part. On your editing screen, look for a button element in the element toolbar. Once you find it, go ahead and drag this button element onto your web page. This is a simple drag and drop action. When you release the button, it will appear on your web page exactly where you've placed it. Consider adjusting its location to ensure it aligns well with your overall page design and layout. With the button on your page, the next step is critical. Hover over your new button to reveal its settings option and then click on it. This will open up a range of editing possibilities right at your fingertips. Choose the option to edit button. At this point, you're given the ability to customize what text appears on the button itself. It's a good practice to make the button text intuitive and clear, such as "Call us now" or "Reach us by phone," something that leaves no doubt as to its purpose. Next, with your button nicely named, look for the Link To settings. Hostinger provides several linking options here, but what you're interested in is setting this button up as a direct phone link. From the list, select phone number. This special functionality allows a reader to initiate a phone call to your chosen number with a single click. It's a great tool for converting interest into immediate contact. Now you'll need to enter the phone number you want to link to. Make sure you input it correctly, including any necessary country and area codes, to ensure seamless connectivity. Double-check this information, as an incorrect number could mean missed opportunities. Once you've set and confirmed all these details, revisit the appearance of your button. Ensure it's aesthetically pleasing and consistent with your website's overall color scheme and design ethos. A contrasting color can often encourage clicks by drawing attention. After everything is set to your liking, it's important to test the button. Use your website's preview function to ensure everything works smoothly. Try initiating a test call from the button to confirm it connects correctly to the intended number. With this done, your website visitors can now reach you instantly, enhancing their experience and your connection with them. Congratulations, you've successfully added a phone call button using Hostinger Website Builder. This small but powerful feature will help streamline communications between you and your audience. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.